What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix the issue when received or sent voice messages on WhatsApp have very low volume or no sound at all. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First of all, make sure to completely exit out of your WhatsApp application and open up your settings. Here, tap on Screen Time. Make sure that communication limits are disabled. Under Content and Privacy Restrictions, you can disable all restrictions, and if not, make sure that microphone is set to allow. When this is done, you can quickly make sure if your iOS version is up to date, in case you haven't updated your iPhone in a long time. Under General, tap on Software Update. Download and install any update that might be available to you before restarting your iOS device. Restarting your iPhone will in turn also restart all processes, which can help fix the voice message problem for WhatsApp. Next, back in your main settings, tap on Privacy. Under Microphone, you have to make sure that WhatsApp is allowed to use your mic. This counts for the built-in microphone, but also any other external microphone, such as the one from your AirPods for example. The last step to verify in your settings is back in the General section. Tap on iPhone Storage and make sure that you have a minimum of 1 GB of storage left. Voice messages usually don't use nearly as much storage on your device, but there might be some other voice messages in your conversations which will load as soon as you clear up more storage. You can follow the storage recommendations if you don't want to delete apps you use. If your iCloud storage is full and WhatsApp is being synced with your iCloud, then it will simply not be saved in the next backup. Lastly, you should close any apps which can play music, such as Spotify or Reddit, as they can mess up your output volume or audio priority for iOS. Simply close all running applications and try to listen to or send a new voice message to see if this helps you out. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.